What's up, future self-made disaster? You're here because you're either terrified of your bank account or bored of TikTok. Congrats either way. Welcome to Finance for the Frugal and Foul-Mouthed, where we don't sugarcoat money. Advice because, let's face it, we can't afford sugar. I'm not a guru. I'm not even a real person. I'm a stick figure who's seen more financial train wrecks than a Wall Street janitor. Let's turn your "I'll fix it later" into "Oh, I can adult." Part 1. Budgeting. The art of lying to yourself. Let's start with budgeting, aka how to realize you spend $200 a month on snacks you don't even like. Step 1. Track your money. Like a stalker. You know how your ex used to watch your Instagram stories at 3 a.m.? Be that obsessive with your spending. Every single dollar. Yes, even the $1.50 you dropped on a parking meter because you're supporting local government. Use an app, a notebook, or cave paintings. Just track it. After a month, you'll uncover horrors like, why do I have 3 streaming services for bad reality TV? Who authorized $80 at Target for a candle named Tranquil Mist? I live in a studio apartment. Step 2. The sociopath's priority list. Shelter, rent, mortgage. If you're paying for a Peloton but sleeping in your car, we have different definitions of priorities. Food, groceries, not DoorDash. Groceries. No, Cheetos don't count as a food group. Utilities, electricity, water, Wi-Fi. Because without Wi-Fi, how will you tweet about being broke? Debt, the minimum payments. Ignoring these is like ignoring a toothache. It'll rot. 5. The eye, fun stuff, whatever's left. Spoiler, it's $12. Step 3. The guilt-free zone. Budgeting isn't about punishment. It's about permission. Allocate $20 a month for dumb shit you don't need. E.g., a t-shirt that says "I'm bad" at money. No guilt. Just own it. Part 2. Debt. Your toxic relationship status. Debt's like that ex who borrowed your hoodie, ghosted you, and now you see it on their Instagram with someone else. Let's break up. The cold turkey method. Stop adding more debt. Cut up the credit cards, freeze them in a block of ice, bury them in your backyard. If you're still using them for emergencies, let me redefine emergency. It's not a sale at Sephora. Pick your poison. Avalanche versus snowball. Avalanche. Attack high-interest debt first. Math loves this. Your sanity? Not so much. Snowball. Pay off small debts for quick wins. Less efficient, but hey, dopamine is dopamine. Pro tip. Call your lenders. Beg, grovel. Ask for lower rates. Worst case, they hang up. Best case, you save $500 a year to spend on more debt. The harsh truth. Debt didn't happen overnight. Neither will fixing it. But every extra $10 you throw at it is a middle finger to the system. Part 3. Saving. Pretending you're a grown-up saving money is like flossing. Everyone lies about doing it. Let's fix that. Emergency fund. Your financial condom, you need one. Why? Because life will raw dog you with a flat tire, a broken laptop, or a pet iguana's surgery. Aim for $1,000 first. Then, 3 to 6 months of life expenses. How to save. When you're broke. Automate it. Set up a $5 weekly transfer to savings. Out of sight, out of mind. The change jar. Literal pennies add up. So do the ones you find in the couch. Side hustle. Cash. Every $20 from selling old clothes. Straight to savings. No, you can't reward yourself first. Retirement. Boring but big. Start with 1% of your paycheck. Increase it every year. If your job offers a 401k match, take it. It's free money. Yes, free. Like air. Or regret. Part 4. Side hustles. No, your cat isn't an influencer. Let's talk side hustles. Not the sexy ones where you travel the world while making $50K a month. The real ones. The good, the bad, and the pyramid schemes. Good. Freelancing skills you already have. Writing, design, tutoring. Bad. Selling leggings to your friends. You'll make $10 and lose 3 relationships. Ugly. Crypto courses. If it's on TikTok, it's probably a scam. Time versus money. Side hustles eat time. Time you could spend sleeping, hobbies, or staring at walls. Calculate your hourly rate. If you're making $5 an hour designing Etsy wedding invites, is it worth it? Spoiler, no. The unsexy truth. Sometimes a part-time job, bartending, dog walking, beats a passion project that pays in exposure. Exposure doesn't cover rent. Part 5. Mindset. Stop hating yourself. Let's get real. Money shame is a cult, and you're in it. The comparison trap Instagram isn't real. Neither are 30 under 30 lists. Your friend's luxury vacation? Probably debt. Focus on your progress. Did you save $10 this week? King, queen, non-binary royalty. A guilt-free spending budget for fun. For guilt-free fun. If you've allocated $50 for dumb stuff, spend it on a concert ticket, a fancy coffee, or a giant inflatable dinosaur. No apologies. Forgive yourself. You've made mistakes. So what? You're here now. Every dollar you save, every debt payment, is a step forward. Even if it's a baby step. Especially if it's a baby step. Closing. The light at the end of the tunnel. It's not a train. Look, you magnificent dumpster fire. Improving your finances isn't about perfection, it's about trying. Some months you'll budget like a CEO. Others you'll Uber Eats nachos at 2 a.m. while sobbing. Both are okay. Remember, you're not bad with money. You're learning. Progress, perfection. Capitalism wants you to fail. Don't let it. You're not broke. You're pre-rich.